How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a deeper voice permanently tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Now, to get a deeper voice, there are 3 different things that you need to do. All 3 of these things will help tremendously for getting a deeper voice. Keep in mind, everybody will kind of have a ceiling to the max deep voice they can have. Like, not every single person is going to have a really, really deep voice. That is not going to happen. What you might do, though, is if you have a really high-pitched voice, it might become a lot lower. But again, not everyone is going to have a super, super deep voice. Just keep that in mind. You can definitely make your voice deeper, but again, not everyone's going to have a super, super deep voice. The first thing that you need to do that has been proven by studies to get a deeper voice is literally to talk slower. Literally. By talking slower, it naturally lowers your voice. And this is something that I have been doing in my videos for the past 5 years. When I first started making videos, you guys, what happened is I used to talk really, really fast. And I noticed, even from comments, people were literally commenting on my videos saying my voice was pretty high pitched. This was true. I know lots of people that have actually done this trick. They just talk a little bit slower now and their voice automatically deepens. So literally talk slower. The second tip is going to be deep breathing. Deep breathing, again, has been proven to make your voice deeper. I know this personally because I've been meditating for about 3 years now, and meditation is literally all about deep breathing. It's all about focusing on the breath, concentrating, and meditating has definitely helped my voice to get deeper. One thing I will say is when you are meditating, when you're first starting off doing deep breaths, don't do more than about 3 deep breaths in a row. The reason being, you're not used to it. You're going to get lightheaded from the deep, deep breaths. So again, just like this. Again, that's a little over exaggerated. You don't have to go that deep a voice. The last tip is to focus on breathing through your stomach and not through your chest. When you breathe through your chest rises when you breathe, like this. Notice my chest rise. What you want to do, put your hand on your stomach and breathing through your chest, you notice my stomach moves forward and my chest stays the same, like my chest is not rising. Now watch. Notice my chest go up. You want to breathe in and out through your stomach. This naturally lowers your voice as well. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.